Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how I make this scrunchie. These are measurements and materials which I'll be using to create my scrunchie. First, I'm preparing my scrunchie material. I'm folding my fabric so the right side is inside, like that. And I'm pinning the edge. And I'll be sewing a straight stitch there. Next, I'll sew a straight stitch all around the scrunchie. I'm rolling my fabric in the middle, putting those two seams together like that, and I'll be sewing all around the scrunchie. So the middle part is inside, tucked in, and when I sew, I pull that middle part out. I have nearly reached the other side where I have started sewing, and now I will leave approximately 7 centimeters for the opening. This is the first seam what I sewed earlier, and I will leave the gap of 7 centimeters there. This is how it looks after I sewed that seam. And this opening I will use to turn my scrunchie to the right side. Next, I'm adding elastic inside the scrunchie. Next, I'll sew there to attach both elastic ends. This is how it looks after I sewed both elastic ends together. Next, I'm turning my scrunchie to the right side using that 7 centimeter opening. Next, I will sew this opening closed. And my scrunchie is finished now. If you have any questions how I made this scrunchie, please do comment down below in the comment box. I also made these scrunchies. I will link both videos down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching this scrunchie video. Go check out my previous video and see how I made this matching top. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll see you next time. Love, Anita!